If you love suspenseful stories about crime, twists, law, then legal thrillers are the perfect genre for you. So I'm going to share some of the best legal thriller books that are going to have you hooked from start to finish. So first you got The Firm by John Grisham. It's a classic. It's about a young lawyer who gets caught up in a dangerous game involving a corrupt law firm. Another great pick is A Time to Kill, also by John Grisham. It's a powerful story about justice, revenge, and the complexity of the legal system. The Lincoln Lawyer by Michael Connelly follows a defense lawyer who works out of his car while getting involved in a dangerous case. For a gripping courtroom drama, Presumed Innocent by Scott Turow is an absolute must-read. It's a thrilling story about a prosecutor accused of murder, and the twist at the end is going to leave you speechless. And lastly, The Runaway Jury by John Grisham dives into a high-stakes trial where a jury is manipulated and the outcome could change everything. These books are filled with suspense, mystery, and legal drama. And if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. I love you.